Oh no. What's this?
I'm learning Lucio.
What?
I've been learning Lucio. I'm good at it.
Why is he learning Lucio? Seagull, why? Why?
Alright, man.
I almost have Lucio, and then we're gonna run in and win the game.
How do you already have him? Oh, look.
Ready? Let's go.
Yep. Oh, Goliath, he's gonna put down TP in the back. All the way in the back.
I vault. We did it!
Hey. Oh my god, what's with your mic? Be okay? How did I? What? I don't want to fucking go in there. Oh hey, how you guys doing? Whew.
Doesn't matter.
What kind of name is Beardy anyway?
What kind of name is Alekiii, man?
A good one. Am I ever gonna get a fucking kill here? Yeah, I'm dead. See, boys. Dude, I could never fuck. Whoa! I thought I was gonna stop. Okay, second fight. Can't do anything against that. Hey. They have a TP. Just yo, stay on point and work together, alright? Just relax. Just relax. So Reaper? Reaper no Wraith? Oof. Oh, Reaper on me? Reaper on me? Whew, thank you. Yeah, you feel alive, Reaper?
Oh my god. Longest push in the world.
This better be a YouTube video.
Okay, I'll do my best.
People are gonna be like, well, Alekii's such a nutty Ryan. Come to the stream and be like, wait, oh, it's actually fucking terrible. I'm gonna get some good old alt charge up here. They have a Pharaoh? Nice BM. Well, nice knowing you boys. Hey, we got fucked on. It's a good thing we took it all the way to the end.
No.
Nice.
Good job.
GG.
Yes.
Our Lucio's trash. Yeah, he's not that great.